This video will walk us through creating a custom data import from the text file that we just created. We're going to go to Administration, Database Administration, and Import from External Data Source. Create a new one. It's going to be a standard database import. We'll give it a name. The source type is going to be a tab delimited text file. And then we're going to go ahead and navigate to the file that we just created. We'll click the Add button. Now the target table is going to be the activity main table. So we're going to go ahead and just type in A, and that will actually bring us inside of our target table list right to the activity main. And take a look at our fields. Now there's 4 fields we have to fill in. The activity code, which would be column number 1. We'll click Save and New. We'll go to the date. Now the date field is actually going to be dynamic. So what we'll do is we'll go to Rules. We'll replace it with a literal value or expression. We're going to type in date, open, close parenthesis. And I want to make this created for tomorrow. So if I just do a +1 there, it'll add 1 day to today's date. So this will create tomorrow's activity. Today's January 30th, so this should create it for tomorrow. We'll click OK, Save, and New. We now want to bring in the description field. That would be column number 2. And then we're going to also bring in the Other tab. The Other checkbox we're going to want to have checked. And that's a logical field. So it's going to be either true or false. And the way that we define true or false in the system is with a period, capital T, and a period. I'm going to save that and close that. You can add additional fields as you want to just by adding them to the definition. We can also add additional activities by adding additional rows in our text file. I'll click Save and close. And now I'm going to go ahead and run our new task, and it should bring in 2 separate activities that we see. We're going to go ahead and commit those. We're not going to bother looking at the log, but now when we requery our journal, if we go to tomorrow, we'll see that we have 2 activities created in our system. Hopefully this will help you get better data out of Firehouse software.